So I'm sitting in the terminal, I'm talking to my camera, and okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to episode 2 of Ratchet Road Trips. Excuse my homeless chic look right now. It's 7 o'clock. I've been up since 4:45. We are now at the Philadelphia airport. A little hot. Thought I was running late, but I actually had 45 minutes to spare. Got my Dunkin' Donuts. Crazy enough, I'm 26. I'll be 27 this year, and this is the first time that I've ever flown by myself. So I was a little nervous. The people at TSA here are aggressive as, but no, it's cool. Got a hash brown. Don't taste right.
Paging unaccompanied minors to the podium. James Perez.
I got a sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant with no eggs. So usually when you want no egg, they give you double sausage. It's so loud. Okay, people are starting to look at me like I'm a crazy person. So I will see you guys in Atlanta. I'm flying by myself. I'm meeting Caitlin at the Atlanta airport, and while I wait for her, I'm gonna get some Popeyes, baby. I cannot wait.
Good morning. In about 3 minutes, we'll start our general boarding. Flight 635. When we start boarding, we'll pre-board.
If you would like to carry on, please let me know that it's board. This will be a courtesy check.
Okay. The Atlanta airport is literally the biggest airport in the universe. So watch me struggle and try and find my way out of here. It's gonna probably take me like 5 hours. We don't even have an airport in Delaware. It's Popeyes! Woo! Yeah! I don't know where I'm going. I'm just gonna get on here. There she is! Why do you look like that? Okay, why are we taking a video? Just move around. Okay. Hello. People, I didn't even say a word.
I just wanted to say welcome to Atlanta, where I'm so happy to have my girls with me. We have Courtney behind the camera. Caitlin doesn't want to be photographer. Photographs, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath.
Photographer.
Yeah, please edit that out.
No, it's cute. Okay.
But yeah, so we're about to get this.
We're about to get this mountain climbing experience. Chris, you know there were steps, babe.
I like to text hello.
So we're in, come on, bro. I'm out of breath. That's Courtney, bro. We're in Stone Mountain, Georgia. I just ate some soul food before we did this, and I probably shouldn't have done that, but I was hungry. Yes, and I had it was a sip of a Coke. I can't wait. Can you see it? There she is. Anyway, she's a little grumpy. We'll let her calm down. She just wants some neck bones, but she has to climb this mountain and then she'll get them. So we're leaving later. I know I didn't really vlog that much because we were honestly just drinking, having a good time. But yeah, now I'm gonna do like a scenic time lapse. So see you later. But you guys, we made it to the top. Let's see. We don't have mountains in Delaware, so this is pretty cool. Like the Lone Ranger or something. Like, I feel like this is what like Texas would look like, or like Arizona or somewhere.